How to boost cash flow by converting a garage into a bedroom. Real estate investors continue to find creative ways to utilize existing spaces to increase cash flow. One way to do this is by converting an unfinished basement or a garage into a bedroom. But how do you find these properties? And better yet, how do you know if it's going to be worth the expense? Let's jump into it. So right now I'm on Zillow and I already have some prefix filters set. So first is looking at for sale properties. Next, home type being single family homes. And then I have three additional parameters. And right now I'm on Tampa, Florida. This will work for any other city that you're looking for. So the first major requirement is no HOA. HOA stands for Homeowners Association. These are usually communities of similar houses that have some sort of rule structure, and they have to follow and abide by certain conditions. Usually they cannot convert a garage into a bedroom. So this is why I'm selecting no HOA fee. The next step here is making sure we have checked off must have a garage. We want to convert a garage into a bedroom, so we would expect that the property has a garage. And lastly, I have here year built 2022 at maximum. I want to remove any new construction, and this allows me to do so. So now that we have these filters already set, we can select one of the properties. So here we have a property that's on market for about $350K. 3-bed, 2-bath, about 1,200 square feet. We could see there's a garage from the front image. And if we go through the images, we could see the property for the most part is turnkey, meaning that we can go into the front door and start living in it or renting it right away. If we go towards the bottom, we could now see here there's the image of the garage. And the garage can fit a single car as well as storage. So it's a pretty good amount of space that would be livable for a bedroom. How much does it cost to actually convert a garage in Florida? So Bart here says the average is about $16,000. Then I looked up another source, which says $12,000. So let's just say that it's going to be between $10,000 to $20,000. This space probably on the lower end because it's a single car garage versus 2-car, but we could just use that estimation for now. On the Coffee Closers page, we could look over at Run the Numbers. And here we could see that this property initially will be a bad deal. We would lose out on $800 a month, which is not doable for us. So we know initially that our costs are going to be about 10 to 20K to convert that bedroom. So once we actually convert this garage into a bedroom, then we can increase our rents. So let's imagine that we're able to increase our rents by $600 because now we have increased our property from 3 bedrooms to 4. Our deal has now gotten slightly better. We see that our monthly profit would be negative 182, but I really want to get out of the red zone. So we see that the property is being asked for about $350K. Let's go below that. If we were to toggle down to say 10% below asking price to about $20K, we have now gotten to a break even for monthly profit. Our monthly profit would be about $21, which isn't anything to write home about. But if we're playing the long game and we're looking at rent increases, appreciation, possibly instead of doing a long-term rental, maybe doing buy the bedroom instead to increase our cash flow, we could really see this deal turning to something that initially was super negative at negative $800 a month to being a possible deal that we could work with and add to our portfolio. So this is the power of utilizing Coffee Closers with Run the Numbers to be able to assess if by adding a garage, we can make a deal happen.